Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm in Long Beach right now, and I don't even know what the date is. January 5th. Did I say that already? I'm smoking crack right now, so I hope you don't mind. Let me see. Look at this. There's a few of them in here. They've been leaving these things all over the place. Here's one here. Yeah, you tell me that these are passenger jets. Well, everybody inside of there is going to look like a Pekingese because of the speed. Come on. Look at this. One right up above it. Let's see. There's another race going on. Where is it? Hold on. Yeah, they haven't blocked the sun enough yet, but they're trying to. These are all going to go in front of the sun, guys. It's time for the news to speak up, you traitorous filth bags. Why don't you help us out a little bit? You got kids too, don't you? Maybe you don't. You got little reptile children. Look at this. Little cockroaches everywhere. You tell me these are something coming from the airport.
Can I ask you a question? Out of all the people you've talked to, how many people are agreeing with you? I agree with you.
A lot of people.
Good.
They are.
I'm just worried about it because it seems like California's pretty stupid.
They're really dumb. Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna shut this off. Hold on. I was just filming this stuff up here. I can't believe that. Oh my! Look at them.
Oh yeah.
There's 3 of them going at the same time.
I've been doing this for decades.
I know. Well, not as much as they are now. They're blocking the sun. Look. Oh, this is for sun blockage.
Yeah. And they want us to be in our houses isolating so we don't get any vitamin D3.
Exactly.
So we can't fight.
From our new white
virus.
sun.
Huh?
The yellow sun's gone. Now we got a new white sun. LED sun. Great. Thank you. Here's our sky left over from these psychos. So sorry I ran into somebody in the parking lot, but that's all right because he's awake and I appreciate it. Take care, guys. I'm out.